Right, you're gonna have to ignore all the background unless I just stand here like this. Okay. Right, the quest for today, although the light is now changing, changes, so I'm in a much better mood. The drugs have worked, you know, and that is not a verb song. The drugs didn't work, but they do work, you know, and to the extent where, you know, I could like, you know, it's just like I could actually go out and do roller skating with dogs type of time of the month. Time of the month it is, yes, but I'm in a better mood. I have been outsourcing on Tuesday and I went outsourcing yesterday, which was Wednesday. Today's Thursday. We like chicken and chips on Thursday. No. Well, actually we are having chicken and chips on Thursday because I've picked this up. It's got somebody's dinner on it. Here's the residue. This was 33 pence because I had 3 books. Do you know, I keep thinking it doesn't quite add up, but that's because one of them was a Terry Pratchett book and it's been snuck into my collection. So, you know, that's no good for reselling if it sneaks into my collection. But these, I think, unlike Weight Watchers, which is a dead loss because nobody wants to do Weight Watchers, Slimming World is the in thing. And I think you only get these books if you enroll on their regime, so to speak. But I've been looking through this and I'm going to give some of these a go. I am going to give a go with the chips and something else like a fake away. Mucky D's. And the key is, I think, for all of the Slimming World things, is you have to have this. So I've gone out and got this today. So that probably won't be sold, but I do have another one because it was 3 for £1. I thought that had somebody's dinner in it as well. I don't think I'm so much going to do that. I might have a flick through. Oh, it's got a corner turned down on a page. Aromatic chicken bake. Maybe that's the way forward. That has got somebody's dinner on it. I love it. Just absolutely love it. Yeah, that shop that I was in yesterday, it's actually the place where I got this because I've got all my bits out here that I'm going to list today because I've got to get on with the listing. I did the Brasso on this yesterday and now in the light it looks terrible, so I'm going to have to Brasso it again. I walked up the road to where there's a really nice shop which literally sells everything, so I got Brasso from there, which because nobody seems to sell Brasso anywhere else. You can't get it in the supermarkets, you just get a teenager going, Brasso, what's that? So yeah, I went into this shop yesterday. I have got a whole load of clothes, but I won't show you the clothes. I'm just going to show you the bits that I've got here that I'm going to list today. They started having a mother's meeting in there about how resellers were the demon, purged, you know, sent to mess with them. But so I rotated the shop twice listening to them, but they all just were standing in the middle of this shop piled up with stuff because it was all overpriced. Generally had pieces missing because of the way they'd stacked up all the games. Whenever anybody touched the games, the contents fell out. And I checked the contents of one of the games and it had some pieces missing. So there's a Cluedo I didn't get. Shame. But anyway, I've got 3 books in there and I got a hurricane glass. Those are the things. I'm not very good at this today. Oh. Yes, I got this from that shop. Can you tell it's Bernardo's? I quizzed them in there because it's a donation centre, and I quizzed them as to why the Bernardo's that I like to go to is closed, and they were all clueless. Even though they deliver to them, they were just like, "Oh, is it closed?" Well, of course it's closed. You must realise. Oh, and then somebody, you know, eventually confirmed that the person was at another shop because I think they've like got some blowout shop in Stockport. This is got adhesive from hell on it. So I got that. So these hurricane glasses, somebody said they were great. In the daylight, this looks really dirty. It'd be nice to have a pina colada in that, wouldn't it? So we've got a Hard Rock Cafe in Manchester. I don't think I've ever actually managed to eat there because it's one of those places where they give you like a remote control and say stand in a queue for ages. The only time I've been there was on my hen do, you know, because you have to go to the print works to have a hen do. And yeah, so that, the Terry Pratchett book and these two Slimming World books, which the Slimming World books are definitely worth picking up because they sell really quickly for around the £10 mark. You know, a lot of people bundle them. This mug, because obviously these are the things which are in my kitchen, this would be great, obviously, because it's Emma Bridgewater. But I'm sure you can see there. I didn't pay. It says £1.50 on it, but when I got to the till, I said, oh, it's got terrible damage to it. So she gave it to me for free. I think I got really good timing at that shop because she got a pair of jeans and she just picked a figure out of nowhere, even though the rest of them were highly priced. She gave me them for £3 because it wasn't her shop. She was just there for the laugh. So also in that shop, I've got this Krispy Kreme. It's not donuts, although my husband did think it was donuts. But he was just like, why has she got donuts? She doesn't like donuts. I really don't like donuts. Whenever donuts have made an appearance at work, I did try them and vommed. I just do not like them. I just do not know how people can enjoy that level of starch. The starch inside it is just so, I just hate things that taste fatty. And I just don't like that. But I've just done that jigsaw. Well, no, I didn't do it. Marlena did it. So if you just watch the end of the video and you can see that. And then I also got this. These are only like worth about £10, as is that Krispy Kreme one. So that, which looks quite cool. James Milroy's. Jumbo are the same people that do Wildskage. So, you know, got that. These are things from last week. No, these are things from Chelsea. It's only Thursday. So I got these, another jigsaw, and I was like, I'm really looking forward to doing these. Thundercats. Oh. You know, and I shouldn't be like pissed off. I shouldn't be totally miffed about the fact that these are vintage and they're brand new. And they are, this isn't like an accident because there's proper puzzle dust in there with them, so they've been cut and then put in there. So I might put these together in this thing, I think so. Same with this one. You know, and I really did want to do Lion-O. But yeah, sealed contents. But I mean, the boxes are a bit battered and there's sticky on them. So, you know, I mean, maybe somebody did them and they did do it. That one's got Chitara in it. The other one hadn't got Chitara in it. But Chitara, you know, we were all Chitara. Ladies, we were all Chitara. Yeah, it's definitely, I mean, it definitely is new. I mean, why would somebody have such a, like, decent sealed machine? Because it's definitely got puzzle dust in there from where they've cut it initially. So anyway, that's a bonus. I paid £2 each for them anyway. They only sell for about 10. But I think maybe I'll place them together. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll marry. Maybe I won't. I don't know. So obviously I've got that from that. I've got, just seen that. I've got this thing here. This is just old stuff which is sat here, which I'm going to be listing today. I've got a shell garage. I've got the fanny around with a few little bits on there. And then I've got another Slimming World book here. I mean, there's no rush to put these on because people don't want to do Slimming World for Christmas. Slimming World for Christmas. But this is something I will be listing today. So these two were, you have to have two for £1, so these are the 50p ones. So I got this book, you know, it's one of these nice, smells nice, because people rarely read these things. They just get them for the hoot, or they get gifted them for Christmas, and then they're like, why is this massive book in my life? Smell the print, smell the desire. So it does say on there that it was originally £35. Yeah, well, allegedly, the camera might focus one day on it. So I picked that up. It was 50p. I think I might... Some people have sold it for around the 20 mark. I'm probably going to put mine on for 25. That last photography book, coffee table book that I had, which I thought was quite unremarkable, I did sell that for 30, so I'll slink that on. Obviously that isn't going to be sold. I need to like become one of these people that just places a small succulent in it and becomes a succulent person. How's that in the life? I don't look that one up, see how much that one fetches. So, and the rest of the stuff which I've got is still this silly ass box of stuff which I've got here, which I need to get on, because obviously I've been going out, I've been sourcing. It's been much better to be out in the world, just been in a generally better mood. So I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to touch base with you tomorrow. I'll do the clothing haul tomorrow, because I want to get on with it today while it's good lights. And I'll do the clothing haul tomorrow because I think I'm going to iron it all ready for the weekend, where I think we've got good light. I think tomorrow it's horrendous weather-wise. So there's no point trying to take photos tomorrow. And then obviously I'm also going to try and dig into Lego today. So I will say adieu, and will pass you to my colleague, who will show you how to complete a jigsaw, you know, with mumbling. So thank you for watching, and one day there will be peace.
Hello, my name is Marletta, and the lady on the Frogs, Miss Linda, has asked me to take care of her frogs and to take care of this jigsaw. So it is jigsaw of Le Donut. We do have picture. It needs to not be on the floor while the eBay day is supposed to be taking place. So we have to get this jigsaw completed, because we started it last night without any gusto. And now we have a floor filled with jigsaw. It is not good. It is not good. No. So we are going to put the jigsaw together. Finish up. But my brain is loosened. Okay, so forget that. What's this piece? Okay, we have no brain. In place. What's going on? We have got this piece here. Is it this? No one knows. No, it is this. It is this piece over here. We are going to do this one. Yes. I am thinking maybe I was not the best person placed for this task. But how many people are there knocking around, waiting to do menial tasks like fill a jigsaw in? No one is available for this silly ass job. when you take it. And she put it in. And she is saying, we must get all the things that are gift worthy on. Why is this my problem? I have come over to see you. Now I have to do jigsaw. While she does post run. Silly. I could have come and do post run. No. This is not right. Cannot get these pieces in. Goes in here. This. Smack on it. No, of course not there. If you want to be an idiot, you have signed up. I think that goes here. That. Just one's about there somewhere. It's this. We have curve here. The wrong curve. The curve is in the wrong direction. Therefore, we will all have to go into jigsaw lockdown. That is the only way forward. Jigsaw lockdown until the curve is flattened. Everybody has to sit at home doing jigsaws. Some of us are okay with this. Others, it is a real blow. Some of us could sit at home and do the jigsaws all day. But then, suddenly, the mortgage is not paid. And you say, "Here, Mr. Government, I was not able to pay my mortgage because you said sit in my house for a year, doing piss all but finger my bum. Can you help?" I am sorry, the line is dead. Hello? 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 Stop picking that up. Let's do some rearranging. That goes here. And this has got a little bit of nonsense on the edge. A little bit of nonsense on the edge. That nonsense. Hang on a minute, what is this? Ah, this has got the glaze and the hundreds and thousands. This. Go here. And this. No, we have not started down yet. We need to find sanity. Sanity says no. Red glaze. Just this. And then this looks very obvious, but my brain again says no. It is here because it is central. middle, solid. Right over here, I believe we need in the middle. Don't be silly. You're being silly. Again, this is in the wrong place. We will never complete if we keep jamming in the wrong place. This is gonna take a while if it's gonna be enough. Oh, there will be no more knobbiness today. We will complete and we will do working with the clear camera. Now, number one, smack on it. No, don't put it there. It don't go there yet. Of course it don't go there. It don't go there yet. Because it goes somewhere else. And if we don't put it where it ought to be, it will implode. And if the world implodes, somebody may find out that we were responsible. And then another smack on the head. This goes here, there, and oh no! Why are you an idiot? Why are you an idiot? And this is what you chose to do. And you behave like knob. If you're going to be an idiot, choose something else. This is not the way forward. Put down and do something better with your life. This is not right. This is not right because the piece is not right. This, of course it don't go there, but it did. It didn't go there, but it did. And that goes there. And that goes there. And that goes there. This white probably goes there. And what we have here? Oh, another picture of my bum. Why is this happening? What we need is a solution to insanity. But it did not come. So therefore, evil from sky. No. This is wrong. Right, let's do some edge. Edge these donuts out. We edge the donut out. We edge ourselves in. Cut down the possibilities of being a knobhead. No, they are laughing at us. Oh my God. What if my life depends on this? Then it is all over. This is completely white. We do not have any white. Do we have one there? This piece here is for something that has very little in it. Naturally, we pick it up now when there is so many options available to us. We pick up the one that has hardly anything going for it. Obviously. This is the middle of a donut. Tis this one. This waiting on us. This one is driving us to. It's not wanting us. It is not helping. It is not wanting completion. It is saying, "Lift off." This is obvious, but not if your eyes are strung out. This is here. Stop picking them up until you have completed this piece. This is over here, I believe. No, you are wrong. Again, you are wrong. Why am I playing with you when you are always wrong? You're an idiot. Green Cage says he wants it out of the corporation for insubordination and stupidity. There is no way we can have you in our organization if you're going to play these games of knob. Playing all the game of knob and then doing it in knob way. We have no time. We want the best. And you are the worst. You are a simpleton. We are auditioning for the best, and we get the worst. Luckily, there are very many positions in the Tory government for you. Now that you have displayed this level of competence. Edge, 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 edge. Oh man, I'm edging. This has a middle section. I thought we'd done all that. What's going on? Oh look, that piece goes there. I didn't even see. Because the brain didn't disconnect. That goes here. That goes here. This. Please go with this. Must be these. Yes. Yes. And then act stupid. Act stupid, otherwise they will see that you have no